dear foodies. How are you all? Welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. So today we are going to make a recipe which is the most awaited recipe, that is the chicken biryani. There are many forms of chicken biryani. So today I am going to show you the Kacchi Biryani style. Also there are secret ingredients which I am not going to reveal in the beginning, but they will be coming in between. These secret ingredients enhances the taste of the biryani and makes the biryani more tasty. So please watch my video till the end. So now let's watch the ingredients. So our first ingredient is basmati rice. I have taken about 500 grams of basmati rice, and then I have taken about 500 grams of chicken. This is ginger garlic paste, cup of curd. I have taken around 100 grams of ghee, 100 grams of vegetable oil. This is saffron I have soaked in a warm milk. These are the fried cashews, sliced tomatoes, mint, coriander, lemon juice of 2 lemons, green chilies, fried onions. This is the coriander powder, soft powder, garam masala, cardamom powder, ilachi powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. So first we are going to soak our basmati rice. At least 30 minutes of soaking in water is required. Now let's marinate the chicken. Marination is very important as it enhances the taste of the chicken and the biryani. So first we are going to add about 100 grams of ginger garlic paste, then lemon juice, curd, handful of mint leaves, coriander, about a teaspoon of fried onions, green chilies and 2 tomatoes. Now add our masalas. This is the coriander powder, this is the saunf powder, this is the garam masala, and this is the green cardamom powder. Now let's mix all this mixture. Now let's add our salt, turmeric and chili powder and complete the marination. So now our marination is done. We have to keep it for about 30 minutes aside before the cooking process starts. If the marination is done for more than 2 hours, the taste of the biryani will be more enhanced. So now let's start the process of making biryani. As we have already marinated our chicken and we have soaked our rice. Now let's take a bowl and let's heat the water in it. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil to this water, 1 tablespoon of salt, cinnamon, green cardamom and some cloves to it. These are the secret ingredients which are not mentioned in the ingredients. These bring the taste to the rice. Now let's add the lemon juice. Lemon juice makes the rice non-stick. It doesn't stick to each other. So we need to add lime juice, few drops. Once the water starts boiling, let's add our rice to it. Now we have to cook this rice only half. Please don't cook the rice fully. We need half cooked rice for the biryani. So please keep checking in between. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, please switch off the flame. It is half cooked now. You can check in between like this. If it breaks easily, you can know that rice is half cooked. Don't let it cook completely. So now let's strain this rice from the water. So now I have taken a pressure cooker. Now let's add all our ingredients. First I am going to add a little bit ghee and a little bit of oil. Now a few fried onions. Along with the fried onions, I have added a secret ingredient, and that is a poppy seeds. These actually bring the taste to the biryani. Now let's add our cashews. And now let's add our marinated chicken to it. Now let's mix all this mixture for a while. So now on this we are going to keep our rice. This is a half cooked rice. Spread it all over the chicken. Chicken is uncooked. That's why we call it as Kacchi Biryani. This is one of the form of the biryanis. This is an authentic style. Now the chicken is covered fully. Now let's keep a layer of fried onions. Coriander and mint. Fried cashews. Ghee and little oil, and now the saffron milk, and now another layer of rice, now let's add our fried onions, fried cashews, ghee, oil, mint and coriander, and our saffron milk. And now we have to keep it on a stove. As soon as one whistle comes, you have to off the flame. Please remember this, because if you will not off after one whistle, the chicken underneath the rice will be burnt. Let's place this on stove now. Now let's place the cooker on high flame with a whistle on it. Now let's off the flame as we have got one whistle. The aroma of this biryani has taken all over my home. You can see the rice is wholly cooked. Now let's check the chicken. Chicken is also cooked very nicely. Now we'll take this biryani into a big bowl and mix it well, and then do the plating. Let's mix the rice and the chicken. Now that we are ready with our biryani, let's do the plating. So now the plating of our Kacchi Biryani is done. You can serve it with a raita. This is an authentic dish. If you want to prepare it with mutton, just replace it with mutton in the place of chicken. Rest all the ingredients are the same. You can enjoy this tasty Kacchi Biryani with your family. You can also have this Kacchi Biryani with a mirchi ka salan. Mirchi ka salan is also present in one of my videos. Please do watch that also so that you can know how to make the mirchi ka salan. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe to my channel, you can hit the subscribe button below my video. Also, to get further notifications of my upcoming videos, hit the bell button which is under my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.